Are you looking for an affordable home in Lagos? Well, I've got good news for you. I'm at the launch at one of the most exciting projects, starting in Lagos right now. This is the DUNVALE Court V in Lekki here. This is Orchid Road, Lekki, and this project it's just been launched today. I'm at the launch ceremony. As soon as I heard about this project, I just had to come here so that I could give you guys all the details, right? So this property here, they're building units of duplexes, semi-detached duplexes, terraces, and maisonettes. So you have 3-bedroom maisonettes, 4-bedroom maisonettes, and you have 3-bedroom terraces. So those are the different units that are going to be here in this property, right? And what makes this property exciting, because if you're looking to buy a house in Lagos, most of the time, if you don't have money, it's going to be hard because you have to pay within a short period of time. But with this property, you can pay for as long as 2 years. 2 years, and that's a very good payment plan. You can hardly find anything except you're going for a mortgage, right? 2 years is a fantastic payment plan, and with this property, you can get a home in 2 years. And one other exciting thing about buying an off-plan project is that you can get it while it's cheap. Right now, the prices of houses here are lower than the market value, but that will change after they finish construction. But the thing is, by then it will all be sold out. So let me just take you around. Yeah, so this is 6,000 square meters of land. Construction has already started, and this row we're going to have the semi-detached duplexes. So I'm taking you to the site where one of the first duplex is already being constructed. So this is going to be a model of what the house is going to look like, set to be completed in 3 months' time. As you can see, the work on the foundation has already started. Another thing about this estate is that it's going to be a classy estate, because you've got amazing facilities right here. The estate is going to have a gym. It's going to have a gym. It's going to have drainages, so there won't be any problem about flooding. It's going to have electricity, treated water. So all the facilities that you need are going to be provided for you, and it's going to the duplexes here, each apartment is going to have 2 car parking spaces. So there's enough space for you to park your cars right here. So you've got facilities, you've got a nice house. And another amazing thing about this property is, sometimes you buy a house and then you see, and then it's finished, and then you don't like it, right? And by then it's already too late. With this property, you get the option to have an input in how the house is being finished. So there are different finishing options, which I'm going to place on the screen. There are different finishing options, and you can actually decide the type of finishing that you want. So even though the house is being built for you, you have a say in how the final look is going to be. So that's another amazing thing about this property. You can choose, you can have some level of input in, some level of customization in the final look of the house, in the interior finishing, right? That's another thing that you will not get in another property. So like I said, this is another row of units. We're going to have the maisonettes here, 3 and 4 bedroom maisonettes. So you're looking at so 3 and 4 bedroom maisonettes are going to be over here, and the terraces over there, the semi-detached duplexes, are going to be at the back. So you can customize it. You have a long-term payment plan. You have amazing facilities, and the area around it is already being developed. If you look behind me, you can see this is another estate, right? Just beside it. So this is not a place whereby you're buying and you're just going to be on an island. There are other developments going on around it, and they're going to be completed about the same time. So you're going to have everywhere around this place is going to be developed, right? There are estates around here that are already occupied, right? So people are living here. This part of this place is just being developed. So this is a place where people are living in, and the development timeline for this project is 12 months. So at first quarter next year, this estate is going to be ready. And like I said, you have the option to pay for it over a period of 2 years, right? So I'm going to place the information on your screen so you can see the initial deposit for each unit, for the 3-bedroom terraces, the payment plan for the semi-detached duplexes, the payment plan for the 3 and 4 bedroom maisonettes. Then you can chat with me. If you're not sure which unit will be best for you, you can send me a message call me so that we can talk, and then I'll help you look at different options and pick the one that best suits your need. And in case you're wondering, this is an off-plan project, right? Why is it not completed? This is an off-plan project. Like I said before, this is a project you buy into before it's fully finished. And the advantage of buying an off-plan property is, number one, you're buying below the market value, right? Number two is that with off-plan, you get to inspect, you have the opportunity to even inspect how the house is being constructed. You can see the building materials, you can check the quality of work before it's being done. You can follow up your project, right? With off-plan properties as well, with off-plan projects, you can get an instant appreciation when the property is completed. So because the house is originally, you're buying it below market value because it's not built yet, when it's already constructed, you can sell it at the market value, which is more than you got it. So that's instant appreciation if you decide to flip it, right? That's instant appreciation waiting for you. So there are several benefits of off-plan projects, and yes, there's the risk of, you know, would there be delay in construction and all of that. But one of the things to note when you're going for an off-plan property is the developer. When you're working with it, when you're buying from a trusted developer that has a good history of completing projects, you can be rest assured that the project, they are going to keep to their word and stick to the timeline because they've done it times town number. Now this project is being constructed by Homework Group. So the developer of this property has developed several projects across Lagos, and they finish in record time. And if you look at the name of this property again, it is DUNVALE Court 5. It has been DUNVALE Court 1, 2, 3 and 4, all completed. This is the 5th one. So if they didn't delay in the first four, there's definitely not going to be any delay in this one. So that's why I'm bringing you this, because I have full confidence in this project and in the developers. They've done it before and they will do it again. So if you invest in this property, you can be rest assured that they are going to deliver on this one. So I remain Awile from Bestate Investment, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to respond. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to your calls so that I can help you secure this property. Deals like this don't stay on the market for long, and I really encourage you, if you're looking for a house in Lagos, it doesn't get any better than this, because you have a flexible payment plan, you have the ability to customize your home, you have luxury finishing, nice place, and it's going to be a good one for you and your family. So call the number that says on your screen, or use the contact information in the caption below, and then reach out to me so I can help you secure this property. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.